Hello, trading is closed on October 27th, 2020. You know the routine. We'll do our disclaimer first. So my plan for tomorrow, the 28th of October. If we gap sharply in the undesired direction, the call's kill before the open. Trade at your own risk. Here's my email. Well, we start out by going over what we said. Look for the pattern with the early low. This is it. And tomorrow has the early high. We said there might be a recovery of sorts. We did trade a bit higher. But we broke a major support level. All we had to do is trade under yesterday's close to confirm the break, and that's what happened today. So I don't think this drops over. During the day, we got a sell signal early in the day. We just had to undercut this at some point, and that's already happened. No support under the target. We actually got a buy in the afternoon, and that's already played out. I've updated the wave count here as of today. Instead of saying this is wave blue C, we're suggesting this could be A of C, B of C, and wave C down. It still isn't as impulsive as I would expect if it's going to emulate wave A. So we have question marks because at this point you just can't be certain that's the right count. It's A count. Well, tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down. Typically, it's a negative pattern with a final hour low. Early strength turns the tables, leads to gains in the days to come. I know futures are way down, but you never know how it's going to open. We confirmed yesterday's break of support. Unless we gap up smartly, I look for lower prices. I should say we're entering one of the most favorable times of the year based on the calendar. So keep your powder dry. But it looks like we have a pretty sizable drop ahead of us, although it's still possible to recover with some of the other wave counts I've shown. Right now, this doesn't look like much of a recovery after yesterday's break. Tomorrow has a really high. Looks like a pretty negative day to me, and that's today's call.